Oh.
No way he misses an ollie, this guy.
Give me a break here. I just got out of the car.
All right, guys, we are very excited today because we have the Andy Anderson Etnies shoes, and I want to go over the features real fast, and then we're gonna skate these, or more like Robbie's gonna skate them, because they're 8.5s, and I'm a size 10, and I don't think my broken foot's gonna fit in here.
Yeah, it might not be the best thing for you.
But the first thing I noticed on these shoes is this. How sick is that?
You know, I really like this feature, just having the lace cover. I don't do a lot of freestyle tricks, but it will definitely save your laces for kickflip, because that's kind of where your toe hits the board. Yeah. So I really like that feature, and also I feel like you could maybe make it extra snug if you like your tight fitting shoe.
Yeah, so I think that you can like have them laced up and leave them like that, and they're kind of like slip-ons without laces, or like leash it and have laces too,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then we got a pocket in here.
You know, I think you would think that's like a pocket, but I think what this is,
put the laces in.
No.
Tell me everything.
It's deeper. So I feel like because there's a cut in there, yeah, it allows moisture to actually exit. Otherwise, it's going to build up on the.
Whoa.
I don't know. I mean, that's like if I were to think a little deeper than like a stash pocket.
Yeah.
I don't think Andy's making shoes with that.
No, and Andy designed this, and Andy is a brilliant skateboarder. So for sure, there's like every piece of this shoe is like meant to be designed in a very specific way.
Yeah.
So US men's 8.5, Andy Anderson, and we got the cool Andy little sick little logo right there.
It is the Andagram.
Andagram.
Like the heartagram Bam Margera had.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
The Andagram.
Okay, and it's got a toe cap with some rubber, and this chunk of rubber right here is very thick also. So it looks like you've skated in these a little bit.
I have. I probably just rode around the park. I don't think I actually did any tricks in them. Doesn't look to be anywhere. So they're practically brand new.
I think we're gonna have to do some kickflip challenges.
I'm up for the challenge, Aaron.
But also, look at these bad boys. Look at these.
Dude, these things are...
you guys didn't know that Etnies was making these slippers.
They could be slippers, or they could be like not... I don't know what it would be.
It literally looks like a sleeping bag. I think we need a whole separate video of this. Actually, these are amazing.
They're
nice
really
and
lightweight, yeah. And like they actually have a rubber sole, so you could still do some functional things. I think it's a more functional version of a Croc. Leave it in the comments below on what you think.
Buy a shoe, plant a tree. I don't know about the Croc. I need to learn more about the Crocs. Okay, toss these bad boys on and let's see some tricks. Ugh. He's even got the Dickies socks.
Yo, Walmart special.
Set up for success. Okay, you ready, Derek?
All right.
First try. Kickflip though? First, okay. Skateboarding first thing in the morning is the hardest thing ever. Oh, wow!
You're
so
steezy. I just got out of the car after driving 4 hours, and now you want me to do a bunch of kickflips?
Yeah. Now you can start with an ollie, front 780, back 780, pop shot.
Okay, we'll go through SMS Volume 0.
Or you could just get
Volume 1. Volume 0 is like foundational movements, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad that you that you eventually decided to do that. I think that's really important.
Yeah, and Volume 0 is free.
What?
Yeah, because we're trying to teach the whole world how to ride a skateboard.
Yes,
and I feel like if you get on your board and you start to learn the basic fundamentals, you'll fall in love.
Absolutely.
So fall in love for free. Okay.
All right.
These
let's
shoes,
get to it.
We need to gauge these shoes on how they feel, how they skate, the style. First off, I just look at those and I say, those are sick.
They feel really good on my foot. Just by standing in them, I can say that it's a little thinner than what I would normally skate in.
Really?
However, there is a ton of arch support, which is really cool. Like this area of the shoe seems to really be
high.
Yeah, well, it's supporting the arch.
Okay.
Yeah, but
let's see a trick. Give me an ollie.
Oh.
No way he misses an ollie, this guy. You got to start the ollies low, Robbie.
Well, hey. Give me a break here. I just got out of the car. All right, I got new board and new shoes.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's true. New board and new shoes is a rough,
Yeah, that's
a rough combo.
Self-sabotage there.
Okay, front 180.
All right.
So they feel a little thinner than he usually would skate, he says. Yeah.
But a little bit more bulky around like the middle of the foot. Obviously there's a strap there.
Yeah.
But they feel, I mean, pretty good. Like, you can feel the board, so that's good. I really like that.
I feel like these are extremely durable as well. They've got to be.
They have to be.
With that toe cap.
So, backside 180?
Yeah. Yeah.
I like how I got the 180s first try, but the ollie couldn't get it.
Pop shove it. Nice. Front shove.
I hate getting stuff on my grip tape.
I know, it's the worst.
It's the worst.
Especially when the grip tape's brand new.
You know, they grip really well. That
Yeah?
one, I try and like the effortless front shove, and it just got stuck on my foot.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I bet the bottom of these is really grippy, and I also bet that toe cap, especially that white part right here,
Oh yeah.
with like the extra bumps. You know how they do that? Extra grippy.
Yeah, they feel really grippy.
Okay, heel flip, kick flip.
Heel flip first?
First try.
Okay.
Yeah, heel flip first.
All right, I'm gonna turn around just so you guys can all see me do this.
If you
First
can.
try.
First try.
Please do this. Oh,
Wow.
yes!
All right,
Oh, I thought I was gonna catch that primo.
that was legendary.
It was sleeping while it was flipping. All right, kick flip. Oh,
See?
totally
See
grip.
the extra grip?
That was crazy. Yeah.
Let's see this bad boy. Okay.
It really, you can, like, it really grabbed into the,
Brand new grip tape. Andy Anderson shoes. Should we put him through the 100 kickflip test? Unfortunately, Robbie's alone here today. No, we don't
How
have to
many
do 100.
kickflips did I do last weekend? There was at least 50.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, so I guess I'm warmed up for 100.
Yeah. All right, that was a beautiful kickflip. Nice and pop, flick, extra flick.
I had to make an adjustment because I felt like my foot was gonna grab too much, kicking like more off the top of the board. So
Yeah.
I just moved my foot right to the edge and then just tried to get as fast as a flick as I could. But that felt really good.
Nice.
Thanks, Aaron.
Now, some tricks on the park maybe.
Yeah, I'm down. Not that ledge.
But how do you rate them on the flat ground? The
Flat ground, I mean,
basics.
flat ground basics, I think everything, yeah, overall it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Good board feel, the shoe's grippy. I didn't feel like usually the toe cap on some shoes, you feel like it just slides off the board.
Yeah.
I felt like that did not happen. Clearly, on that first kickflip, my foot got stuck.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know what happened on the ollie.
We'll just erase that from everybody's memory. What's your guys' favorite pair of shoes? Your favorite brand of shoes? Leave it in the comments below. Give us a manual.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you don't feel the impact. I felt like it would be a little, you would feel a little more impact, but it feels pretty good. It's not like they're too thin.
Yeah, so are these cup sole or are they Volk? I think they're Volk, right? See, the problem with shoe reviews is I'm not a shoe expert
It might
myself.
be, you know, it doesn't look like
Oh,
a
yeah.
vulcanized.
Isn't the bottom, doesn't that?
It could be a cold press. So it's like so it's not a sewn on sole.
Yeah.
It's a mixture of vulcanized and cup sole, and then they just, you know what? I'm not a shoe guy either.
You know what? You do a couple tricks. I'm going to consult the internet on
Okay,
this.
perfect. Don't fact check me, but if you do, I might be correct. But they might be vulcanized because they're starting to feel a little Vans-like in the sole. Oh, man.
Single wrapped vulcanized construction, force shield reinforced upper Velcro lace cover.
Sounds like I was not correct, which is fine.
Yeah, it's
But
Volk.
so it's a vulcanized,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
with some extra
Extra.
stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go for a 50-50 on the ledge.
Okay, we're ready. Yeah.
You know, I was ollieing and was like, man, I should have really checked if that was waxed, but
But
no,
it was fully waxed.
It's fully waxed.
It's got
All
a
right.
lot of good reviews also online. I skated the white, the black, 2 pairs of black before this version was released. Lace cover is great. They're very responsive, good feel. Don't get destroyed that quick. Nice. I feel like they wouldn't get destroyed ever.
I'm gonna
Because
try-
this giant rubber toe cap.
I'm gonna see if I have some creativity since I'm in Andy's shoes.
Yeah, we need some Andy tricks.
All right.
Wow. Okay, that was sick.
There we go.
I ain't gonna lie. That was first try?
First try.
What is that thing you did on the ground?
It's called an around the world.
Around the world?
Around the world. Mike Vallely invented it. Andy taught me that trick, actually.
Yeah, we need a tutorial on this.
And the only way I could learn it was by aggressively rolling at him while I was doing the trick, because he said, like, it's the only trick that you do, like, with anger. and so I had to roll at him, but yeah, I could break that trick down for you, but
we're gonna do a
maybe
different
another
video where we do a tutorial. But give me another trick. I like your idea. Let's get some Andy Anderson creativity in there.
Oh gosh.
Do a triple flip dark slide.
This is new grip tape, man. I'm not gonna walk up, but I'll walk down. Oh. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can walk up the stairs.
Yeah.
Give me the power, Andy's shoes.
Wow.
Oh. All right.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. Oh, here we go. This is one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we need some freestyle.
Okay. Huh. Well, they're not giving me freestyle skills, that's for sure.
Do the shoes give extra skateboard ability or not?
Clearly not. I'm like struggling to stand primo right now.
Yeah, you got this.
All right.
It's those wheels. You need the Andy Nano Cubic
Yeah, my wheels aren't flush with the ground. Oh.
There you go. Give us a Casper.
Oh, I got one. Whoa.
Yeah.
All right, maybe a switch walk the dog. That's better than my regular walk the dog.
Is that a walk the dog?
Yeah.
Space walk.
Space walk. You know,
Yeah, that's hard.
let me see. Yeah, that is like one trick I don't understand. Like, his balance has to be so. I feel like Chris Roberts right now.
So good.
Did you see him try it?
No.
Oh, it was funny. Definitely got to check it out. It was a 9 Club thing that he did, and I feel like he was.
It's difficult.
Yeah, you know, I feel like when you're rolling.
Yeah, that's manual, guys.
Yeah,
We
but
should
that's
be
not
able
the
to
same
space walk.
because.
It should be our jam, but it's not. It's hard.
Yeah, and I'm not a manual guy. Oh, let's see. I know this is one. Oh, the anti-kickflip
Oh yeah, that's
or the
hard.
foot back. Oh, both shins.
Both shins.
You know, one thing I think these shoes should maybe come with some shin guards.
Yeah,
You know,
completely.
for all the primo stuff. I don't know. Do you want me to do some like ledge skating? Just skate around a little bit more?
Yeah.
I think rather than trying to harness Andy's power in the shoes, like maybe do some things I'm good at and then give it a-
Robbie's freestyle skills.
Yeah, they're non-existent. Ledge skills, also non-existent. I'll come back at you.
Yeah.
All right, let's try that back 50 again.
Yeah.
Not the best no comply. Let's go with the kickflip off the drop. See how the impact feels.
Kickflip off the drop. Yeah.
So again, I felt the shoe just really grip. It could be the new grip tape, but
Combination.
yeah, it's a combination for sure. Like these feel like the little bumps on the side just really, it gives a lot of grip to the shoe.
Yeah.
All right.
We like
Right
a
here.
lot of grip. We like a lot of grip.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Are you the
All right,
kind of person that takes
first
your
try.
grip tape and rubs it down?
Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
I almost couldn't jump high enough. Yeah, that was a big one. All right. I've been looking at this rail though.
Yeah, got a board slide?
Well, I'm in Andy's shoes, so maybe I'll walk on it.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it does give me his power. But then I think, does he walk
grippy on
up
the
stuff
rail.
too? Oh. right, I'm gonna check this first though. I've learned my lesson of hanging up on board slides.
Buttery.
Now,
straight butter.
I'll let you know, Aaron, I did wax my board last night because
Really?
I was just trying to be prepared. All right, let's get it, board slide.
Yeah. How about the step-up gap?
Oh boy. Oh.
Yeah. I like that trick. I like me a good boneless.
You know, I really do actually, like I could see myself skating in these actually.
Yeah, sick.
It's a, yeah, really comfortable shoe. Feels really good. Like the insole, I really like that arch support. I really like that.
Yeah.
So I kind of have a flat foot, so it feels nice.
Yeah.
To have something supporting. And then this is something I really noticed when I first put them on, the toe box.
Yeah.
It's not forcing my toes inward. So like my big toe, it doesn't hurt when like Vans hurt my big toe.
So it's more wide?
Yeah, it's a wider in the toe right here from like big toe to pinky toe. And I don't feel like it's pushing my toes to be narrow.
Nice.
Which I think is a definite benefit.
Okay, so the parameters are, you gotta scale it on 1 to 10. Board feel?
Board feel?
Yeah.
9.
Good. Style?
Oh, definite 10. I like it.
Let's go,
Yeah.
Andy.
I like the style. It looks cool.
Trick ability?
Not freestyle, trick ability?
Yeah.
Okay, trick ability, I would say 9.
Durability?
Durability, I haven't.
Tell.
Yeah, and without skating them for a longer period of time, but I feel like I would say probably an 8 or a 9. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I feel like they would hold up pretty well just from what I've experienced.
Yeah.
A couple kickflips didn't like tear the shoe apart.
Overall trick performance?
Mine or the shoes?
The shoes.
Okay, good.
Overall, I should just say overall skateboarding shoe experience.
Overall skateboarding shoe experience was definitely a 10 for sure. Like the shoe's comfy. I like the design of it. Andy's a good buddy of mine, so anything of his is usually a good product. I'm not saying that because he is a friend. I'm glad he's my friend, but his products are also equally as good.
Yeah,
so.
I think it's good because he puts a lot of like effort and a lot of time and a lot of thought into like, oh, I'm skating this product. How could I make it better? What could we do to improve it? And I think the key focus is like, yeah, like that's so sick. I don't know why. I just think the Velcro like lace cover thing is so rad.
So I got to witness Andy going through that mindset of like, how do I make a shoe that's not just like cool and wearable, but like good for skating that isn't gonna fall apart during COVID when he lived at my house.
Yeah.
And so I got to see the, you know, kind of madness and the progression that went along with it. And I'm so stoked to see that it's finally done, because then he could free up some time to do some other stuff.
We hope you guys enjoyed the shoe review. If you want more shoe reviews, leave it in the comments below. A huge thanks to Robbie for coming out, and a thanks to Andy Anderson for being amazing. We'll see you in the next video.
You.